In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix unexpected error on WhatsApp desktop application for Windows 10 or 11. The first thing that we want to do is to try basic restarts for the application or computer. So you want to fully exit out of the application, restart your computer, and then basically open it once more to see if it's fixed. From there, you then want to check your internet connection. We can then use settings like the Windows settings to terminate, repair, or reset the app's data. Basically, you can just click on Task Manager, search for WhatsApp, and then you want to click on the End Task button. From there, you will be able to fully terminate the application. After that, you simply want to head over to the Add or Remove Programs and search for WhatsApp. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because it's highly probable that the application you have installed comes with a corrupted file or corrupted data, so it's best to reinstall the application, delete it from zero, and install it once again from the official website. So just click on the uninstall button, head over to the official website and click on the download button, and basically from there you will be able to fix this problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.